What if Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system, crashed right into the sun? Imagine a giant space bowling ball heading straight for the sun, and spoiler alert, things get wild. First off, let's remember, Jupiter is massive. It's over 300 times more massive than Earth. And if it decided to take a detour from its orbit, the whole solar system would start freaking out. The other planets might think, wait a minute, should we be worried too? As Jupiter zooms closer to the sun, gravity would go crazy. Jupiter's intense gravity could start pulling on nearby planets. Earth might get knocked off course, sending us into some serious climate chaos. One day you're sipping iced tea on the beach, the next day you're ice fishing in the Sahara. Talk about a bad vacation plan. And then comes the big moment. Jupiter finally smacks right into the sun. Boom! But hold on. It's not a Hollywood-style explosion. Jupiter, mostly made of gas, would start to break apart as it gets closer. Like dropping a marshmallow into a campfire, Jupiter would begin to roast in the sun's heat. Poof! There goes Jupiter's thick atmosphere, evaporating into space. But the sun? The sun's like, is that all you got? After all, Jupiter is big, but the sun is huge. In fact, you could fit over 1,000 Jupiters inside the sun. So while Jupiter would add a little more fuel to the sun, it's kind of like tossing a matchstick into a bonfire. It's not going to make a big difference. The sun would keep shining like the unstoppable ball of fire it is. But here's the twist. The sun might get a little feistier. The added energy from Jupiter might cause the sun to flare up a bit. Solar flare, a few extra fireworks. So if you were living on Earth, you'd want some super strong sunscreen, like SPF 1,000,000. Those solar flares could mess with satellites, phones, and possibly give you a really bad hair day from all that extra solar radiation. In the end, the sun would just absorb Jupiter like a snack. Earth might have a rough time with all the gravitational chaos, but the sun, it'll keep burning for another 5 billion years, acting like nothing happened. So what if Jupiter collided with the sun? A bit of drama, a lot of cosmic chaos, but for the sun, it's just another day in the universe.